In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with HubSpot. We'll build an automation in Zapier that takes new HubSpot contacts and sends related text to ChatGPT for a quick summary, so your team gets instant insights without manual work. Start by opening the Zaps section in your Zapier account. Then click Create and choose Zaps. Before you do anything else, give your Zap a clear, descriptive name. Good naming makes it easy to find and maintain later, especially if your workspace has many automations. Next, open the trigger. In Zapier, a trigger is the event that starts your workflow. We'll use HubSpot as the trigger app because we want this Zap to run whenever HubSpot detects something new. Select HubSpot, then choose the event New Contact. This means the Zap will fire every time a new contact is added to your HubSpot portal. Pick the correct HubSpot account and portal, then click Continue. Use Test Trigger to pull in a recent sample contact. This step confirms Zapier can talk to HubSpot and shows you real sample data you can map later. If nothing appears, create a quick test contact in HubSpot first, then try again. Move on to the action, which defines what happens after the trigger. Choose ChatGPT, OpenAI, as the action app. For the event, select Analyze Text. This action lets ChatGPT process text and return structured insights like summaries, classifications, or sentiment, depending on the analysis type you choose. Select your ChatGPT account, then continue. In the setup, type the text you want analyzed, or better yet, map fields from the HubSpot trigger. Common choices include a contact's recent activity, lifecycle notes, or any descriptive field your team uses. Keep it relevant and concise for the best results, and avoid including sensitive personal information unless your policies allow it. For analysis type, choose Summarize. This will produce a short, readable summary that your sales or support teams can scan quickly. Click Continue to confirm your settings. In this example, we'll skip the test. Normally, running a test is helpful to preview the summary output and make small tweaks, like adjusting which fields you pass or the tone you expect. Finally, publish the Zap if you have the authority to do so. If you're in a managed workspace, request approval from your admins first. Once published, new HubSpot contacts will automatically trigger a ChatGPT summary, giving your team timely context without extra effort. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.